mean, when you're first thinking about lowering or lifting, you really got to consider, do you have the right mindset to even be doing that, you know? Like, are you going to freak out if your tires rub a little bit, you know, or you drag your frame over a speed bump, you know, stuff like that, you know. You might think it looks cool, but driving it, you might hate it, you know. Most people, they end up liking it. Another thing to consider is how low are you going to go? I'd say I get a lot of people that say they want to just do a mild drop, and so, you know, they end up getting, you know, like a 2.4 kit, and after they're done, they wish they had gone with like a 4.6 kit, you know. So I usually try to encourage people just to go all the way down, you know, to where, you know, where it's going to look great. You know, it usually doesn't ride that different from one to the other, so it's usually best just go all in. So when you're picking out a kit, you know, you're going to want a complete package. Just about every lifting and lowering kit's going to need shocks. If you don't get the right shocks, that could be the reason why it doesn't ride good. You know, getting the right shocks is going to keep everything where it rides real nice. I've done some stuff that, you know, outside of a normal kit, and ended up experimenting with 3 different shocks before I finally got one that I felt rode right, you know. So you know, talking to people, and if you're doing a kit that's been done many times, it's usually pretty easy to get the right shocks for it. But, you know, that's one thing you really got to think about. Buying a complete kit is the key to getting a successful lift or drop. Getting everything that matches so it all goes together the first time makes it for a happy experience. Another thing to consider is know your truck. There are certain trucks and SUVs out there that the manufacturers, when they made them, they didn't follow the same year as the rest of them. So you might have an 07 Chevy, but it's a classic, so you need to be ordering parts for an 06. There's a few others that are like that. You know, 2000 Tahoes come in 2 different styles, stuff like that. So you got to do a little research and make sure you're getting the right kit the first time. So, you know, in a nutshell, make sure you have the right mindset, do some research. If you have any questions, call us. We can help you figure out if you have like one of those classic models or whatever, to make sure you're getting the right kit the first time.